Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to loop your audio in DaVinci Resolve. It's gonna be super simple because I want to loop this audio right here. So for that, what I can do, I can just hit to the LearnLite tab, and in LearnLite we can expand this audio track and able to view this waveforms, and this is the portion I want to loop. So for that, you need to move this header to the point from where you want to loop the audio and just hit I for in and O for out. Till this point I want to loop, so I'll just hit O here. So they'll create the selection, and once the selection is created, you can just move this header to the starting point and just click on this loop button and just hit your spacebar. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can create the loop. In order to deselect the selection, for that you can click on this range mode button and just click on this empty area. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can loop audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.